At the time of activating your account, you should have received a welcome email where you have your username and other details like server URL to put into mobile application. If you have not downloaded the mobile app, click on App Store or Play Store link to download the app. Once you have downloaded the app the first time, it will ask for server URL, which is sent to you in the welcome email, or you can get it from your Trexa cloud site. Enter server URL and click Submit button. After that, you can log in using your username or password.